Hey everyone, Brian Manning here, and today I want to show you a payment page and payment cart builder called ThriveCart. I've referenced this in other videos and as an option for accepting credit cards online, although there are a lot of options out there for payment pages. This happens to be one of the easiest ones that I've ever worked with in terms of creating payment pages and adding products to those pages very easily. So I'm going to give you a quick overview and show you what it does and how you can use it. So we'll start with a real quick high-level overview. This is a payment page or a payment cart builder, as I mentioned. So it's a software as a subscription service, and its purpose is to give you the ability to quickly add payment pages for different products and services that you and your company offer. So here's some of the functions and the simplicity of its implementation and how you go about using it. So first off, you can set up as many pages as you want. It's generally one product per page, with the exception of the enter your own price option, which gives you the ability to set the dollar amount to be open-ended so that your customer can fill in a dollar amount that they want to. It's got recurring billing and payment plans with the ability to set the payment parameters to whatever you'd like in terms of the recurring billing. So there's actually 4 options that the system gives you as part of that are built in and part of the software. Number 1 is a single pay. Number 2 is subscription. Number 3 is split pay, and number 4 is the pay your own amount option. So with the subscription option, you can set it for anything that you'd want, really, monthly, weekly, daily, quarterly, and there's even a bi-weekly option. Payments can be different dollar amounts than the original payment as well. So that is something that's very unique to ThriveCart and something that's not readily available or easy to do with other systems. So for example, if you have a product or service that you wanted to have a down payment of, let's say, $500, but then you wanted to charge someone $200 per month for 6 months thereafter, you can easily do that with one payment plan attached to one payment page. And you can add multiple payment options to the same pages so that the customer gets the choice on that page of which payment plan they would like to have. So again, for example, if you have a product that's normally priced at, let's say, $1,000 and you have a paid in full option, but then you have a payment plan option, you can add both of those options on one payment page and let the customer self-select the option that they want, and then ThriveCart will carry out the payment processing option that the customer self-selected. For the pay your own amount options, it comes with the ability to add little notes that show up on the payment page before the payment is finalized by the customer, and those notes are set according to dollar amounts and ranges. So this pay your own amount option is a set and fixed page that your customer gets to go to with a fixed link, of course, so you can link to it from your website or emails or whatever. And the customer gets to go there, add their own dollar amount. So this is perfect for donations or open-ended invoices that are going to be different for each customer, and they can go and add the dollar amounts. And then if you want, this is totally optional, but you can add little text messages that appear when different dollar amounts show up in that enter your own dollar amount. So that would be probably most used during a donation scenario where they're choosing whatever dollar amount that you want and you want to thank them for the amount that they're going to give, kind of like is shown in this example here. Additionally, you can set the software to do trial periods. So if you want to give somebody a 2-week trial or delay a payment for 2 weeks before the card is charged, you can do that. You can have upgrade options. All of this stuff is built into the ThriveCart software, so you automatically get this. It sends receipts out for single purchases, and you can elect to set ThriveCart so that it sends recurring payments, again, if you elect to do so. You can set up coupon codes that are either permanent and fixed to a specific product, or you can set them so that they expire after a certain number of entries or number of uses. So if you had 10 products that were discounted, you could set 10 coupons so that once those 10 are used, the software automatically reverts back to full price after you've, for sales and things like that. You can customize the thank you pages, and you can even add videos to thank you pages and to the payment page itself. So if there's special video notes that you want to add to the thank you page in particular, you can do that. and all you do is copy and paste embed code from YouTube or Vimeo or wherever you're hosting your video. ThriveCart also has integrations that are available with email service providers and CRM providers like HubSpot, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, and then my favorite is Infusionsoft. They automatically integrate, so when you create a product in ThriveCart, it automatically gets pushed through to those providers if they offer carts within their own software, like Infusionsoft does, for example. So when someone makes a purchase, you can send out emails thanking them for their purchase and reminders for future payments and things like that. And then finally, there's lifetime access available for ThriveCart, so you can get additional user license when you purchase the software. So if you have multiple businesses that either operate under a master company or your partners in different companies, so you can have one login to an account, to a ThriveCart account, and you can actually add multiple users to that account, and you can add multiple payment gateways to one ThriveCart account. So if you haven't seen the video where I talk about multiple payment gateways being connected to one merchant account, just know that you can do that. So again, if you have multiple companies or a reason to have multiple merchant accounts with more than one gateway, you can set that up, and you can also connect it to ThriveCart so that you can have different products and services being sold through the one ThriveCart account. There's actually a lot more options and a lot more things that come with ThriveCart, but those are at the top of the list, or the top features that I wanted to cover with you very quickly today. So if ThriveCart sounds right for you, or you want to check it out more, there is a link in the video description, so be sure to check that out. There's a link that you can actually purchase a subscription to ThriveCart. And if you want to set it up with Authorize.net, you absolutely can do that. And it's another reason that I love this software, because it gives you flexibility to set up your own merchant account without being tied to a specific payment processor that this software has required you to do. I'll typically set up your Authorize.net account along with the merchant account for all of my clients, and I typically give discounts on Authorize.net on top of configuring it for you. So again, I'll remove a little bit of that legwork, if not all of the legwork, for you so that you don't have to do it. So again, if you like the screenshots that you've seen here and you like the look of ThriveCart and you want to learn some more, there's also links to click and get in touch with me and schedule an appointment. So I love this because the hosted payment links are secure. So in general, when you have a ThriveCart account, you're going to get a hosted payment link for each of those product pages and payment pages that you set up. So security is taken care of for you. You don't have to get SSL certificates. You don't have to integrate this with your website, although there is an embed option, which is, I didn't even really cover that in detail, but you can add these to your website if you want, but you don't have to. So there's a lot of flexibility with this. You're not storing any cardholder data on your servers or on your website. It's all taken care of through ThriveCart. So it's extremely easy to use, and you can make modifications to any payment page in a matter of minutes, and you can do it yourself without the need to have a programming team or a web development team or anything like that. In fact, with ThriveCart and the way that this is set up, you are getting access to their development team that's constantly taking care of this for you, so you don't have to worry about it. You can just use the features and keep running your business and selling products through the payment pages. So it's a very powerful tool to have, as you can see. And if you like quick and easy processes and you value efficiency, which I'm sure most of you like, you'll probably want to at least give this a look and check it out. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you like it, please share it with a friend that you think might find value in it, and give it a thumbs up and comment below if you have any specific questions about ThriveCart, something that I didn't cover in great detail, or you have any questions about anything payments related, just leave a comment below. I publish tutorial style videos and how-to videos all on the topics of payment processing and merchant accounts, invoicing, and in general, making the process of collecting payments simple and efficient. I'm Brian Manning. Until next time, have a great day.